Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to fix camera crashing on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, you will see first option is app management. Click on app management. Scroll down and click on camera. After click on camera, click on force stop. After click on force stop, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so click on again settings app. After click on settings app, click on scroll down and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, enter your phone password and click on reset. After click on reset, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so restart your phone. After restart, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix camera crashing on Realme 16 Pro. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.